Are you struggling with a tarnished online image? Has a negative search result on Google left you feeling helpless and out of control? Fear not. We will dive into the world of online reputation management, ORM, and show you how to bury those unwanted Google search results. Whether it's an unfortunate incident from your past or false information circulating about your business, we've got the strategies and tips to help you regain control over your online reputation. In today's digital age, your online reputation holds immense value. It can make or break personal and professional opportunities. People will inevitably turn to Google to learn more about you. This is where online reputation management, ORM, comes into play. ORM involves monitoring and shaping the online perception of individuals or businesses by controlling what appears in search engine results. It goes beyond search engine optimization, SEO, as it focuses specifically on managing and improving your online image. With a solid ORM strategy in place, you can ensure that positive information takes precedence over negative search results. Online reputation management, ORM, and search engine optimization, SEO, are two essential strategies for managing and improving your online presence. ORM focuses on monitoring and controlling what others see when they search for you or your business online. It involves actively managing your reputation by addressing negative content, promoting positive information, and ensuring that accurate and favorable results appear in search engine rankings. SEO is primarily concerned with optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. It involves using keywords, link building, site structure optimization, and other techniques to increase visibility and drive organic traffic to your site. Both ORM and SEO play crucial roles in shaping how you're perceived online. By combining these strategies effectively, you can proactively manage your reputation while also maximizing visibility in search engines. When it comes to managing your online reputation, burying negative search results on Google is crucial when negative content can't be removed. Creating a strategic plan is essential. Identify the key areas where negative information appears and develop a strategy to counteract them. Focus on improving the search performance of your primary website by optimizing its content and structure. Expanding your online presence through additional web properties such as blogs or microsites can help push down negative results further. Building an active and relevant social media presence while publishing targeted and high-quality content will enhance visibility in search engine rankings. Creating a plan to change the narrative is the first crucial step towards burying negative Google search results and taking control of your online image. Start by conducting a thorough analysis of your current reputation, identifying any specific issues that need to be addressed. Determine what kind of narrative you want to promote and how you want your brand or personal identity to be perceived. Next, outline clear goals and objectives for your online reputation management campaign. With a solid plan in place, develop strategies for creating compelling content that supports the desired narrative. Improving the search performance of your primary website is crucial when it comes to burying negative Google search results. Focus on optimizing your website's on-page elements, including conducting keyword research and incorporating relevant keywords into your page titles, headings, and meta descriptions. Off-page optimization is equally important. Building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites can boost a site's credibility and visibility in SERPs. Expanding your online presence with additional web properties is another effective strategy. Consider creating professional profiles on reputable platforms such as LinkedIn or industry-specific websites. Establishing a blog can be highly beneficial. By regularly publishing high-quality content related to your field of expertise, you can position yourself as an authority in the industry. Building an active and relevant social media presence is a crucial step in burying negative Google search results. By building an active and relevant social media presence, you have the power to shape the narrative surrounding your online image.